Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Tecno Spark 50 which is pattern locked. Let's unlock it with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone, as these new Tecno phones simply won't turn off with the power key like the Samsung ones. So we have to force restart it and then take it into the recovery menu. As you guys can see, it simply won't turn off with the power key. To force restart this phone, you guys have to press the power and volume down keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the screen goes black, release the volume down key and quickly hold on to the volume up key while pressing the power key also. Now as soon as the Tecno logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. As you guys can see here, now inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. You guys have to select wipe data, then select factory data reset. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see at the bottom, the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system. Now after the reboot, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. It will stay on the screen for a while. Now when the phone finally turns on, tap on the next move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.